Fun fact about me, I love throw pillows. And with the change of the season comes the change of your pillowcases. Stay tuned for a new DIY. What's up, DIYers, and welcome back to Guaranteed DIYs. Today's DIY project will be Anthropologie inspired pillowcases to add a little bit of fun and vibrant colors to your everyday decor. While you're here, go ahead and subscribe, and if you like what you see, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started. So for my first set of pillowcases, I decided to go with this burnt orange fabric that I got from none other than Hobby Lobby. All their fabric was 50% off, and I also had a 40% coupon. Saved me tons of money. You will need some scissors. I suggest fabric scissors for a cleaner cut. And for this no-sew technique, you will need a hot glue gun. So first, I'm just deciding how I want to wrap the fabric around my pillow before I add my hot glue and seal up all my sides. I decided to go from bottom to top and side to side, but you can choose any method that you want. But just make sure you kind of mold the fabric before you add the hot glue because it can get messy. So after you mold the fabric around your pillow, you just want to go back in with a hot glue gun. Molding the fabric makes it easier for me because I already know where all the fabric is going to be placed, and all I have to do is go in with my hot glue gun and make sure I fold and seal all the loose ends. For my other sets of pillows, I decided to go with a more abstract Anthropologie type look. So I picked this cool fabric that has all the colors of my living room in it, and I'm using the same flip over, fold over method, going from the bottom of the fabric to the top of the fabric and then adding the two sides. Since I already had my technique down, I went ahead and hot glued as I went. Can't tell on camera, but this fabric was really different. It wasn't at all soft or flexible like the burnt orange fabric, so I had to do a little more work to get the top to seal because I was having a difficult time. I added a little more hot glue than I probably should have, but I wanted to make sure that it stayed, so I used this kind of burrito method. I suggest if you want like a clean cut look and you're wanting to use this fabric for a long time, to go ahead and sew it. But me, I just want to use it for the fall season, and then I'm going to switch it out again for the winter season. So I just wanted it to be quick and easy. But yeah, this cloth was very hard to work with, so that's what you see me doing. For my final step, I'm just adding tassels to each corner of my pillow for an extra fun and cute factor. There's no actual technique to this, but the way I'm doing it is going ahead and adding hot glue to the fabric first, then taking the string of the tassel and folding it under so that the tassel doesn't hang unnecessarily on the pillow. But you can do it any way you want.